To connect Hotspot in the Samsung Z Fold 6, let's start by opening Settings. Then we'll select Connections. Then we will choose the Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. So when we tap on Mobile Hotspot and turn it on, the first thing you need to know is if you have a Wi-Fi on, so if my Wi-Fi is on, it won't hotspot your mobile data, it will hotspot the Wi-Fi network you are on to other people. So let's turn off Wi-Fi, so we are hotspotting our 5G or 4G LTE signal. The second thing you need to know is if you aren't on this mobile hotspot screen, then other devices will not be able to see your hotspot in their settings. So if I go to my Wi-Fi settings now, we can see the Z Fold 6 is showing. If the network isn't showing, then just make sure you are actually on this screen. Now, if you want to improve performance, you change the band here and you slide this up to the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz option, and then we'll save. And one more thing, to quickly turn on your hotspot, instead of going through the settings, if you swipe down from the top twice, there is that mobile hotspot option. We can tap off and on just like this, but if you aren't in that hotspot settings, then the network may not show up.